Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna share with you some of my travel tips. So the first thing that I do, of course, is I actually use Skyscanner. So in Skyscanner, actually you can put your destination wherever you want to go, or if you want to save money, what we actually do is we go to explore everywhere. So we put actually the departure and then we put explore everywhere, and then actually Skyscanner is gonna give you some of the places that actually are cheap. We used to book really in advance, so most of the time me and my boyfriend book like even 6 or 7 months before. And especially when we decide already where to go, we wait until midnight. The prices of the tickets are a little bit different and cheaper than booking it on day. We already know that our days off are, of course, Friday afternoon, Saturday and Sunday. Most of the time we used to travel and depart at Friday evening, and then we go back on Sunday night. The other application that we use when we travel is booking.com. Booking.com, you can book place where you want to sleep. Either it's a hotel, bed and breakfast, or hostel. So if you want to save money, you have to filter it and go from the cheapest to the highest price. So you can actually filter it, and then it's gonna show you the cheapest price. And also, one of the things that you have to consider when you travel is, of course, when you book a hotel or a bed and breakfast where you're gonna stay, you have to consider the distance in the center. If it's near the center, you can probably walk and go to the center. That when you travel, try to take a look at TripAdvisor a lot, because it's gonna give you a lot of information about the place and where you want to go, the things that you have to see. So TripAdvisor is another application that is really helpful. And another one that I'm gonna share to you is Minube. Minube is another application that shows you actually what places that you have to see on those locations. Minube is really helpful because it also shows you, like, for example, if you have seen one of those places that it shows you, it's gonna show you the next destination which is near from where you are already. And of course you have to read lots of information, of course, just to have a little bit of culture and, you know, where you want to visit, what you want to visit. And so if you book your own travels and you do your own travels, it's a must to have Skyscanner in your phone to book your flights, booking.com to book your place where you want to sleep, TripAdvisor to have information of the places, and, you know, even restaurants or destination, or if you want to have any kind of information, TripAdvisor is really helpful. And of course you have to download Minube. Minube is not that how do you say, famous app, because I just discovered it by searching on Play Store. So after I discovered Minube, it helped me really a lot, because when I go there I don't have to research on Google what to see, because I already have Minube that shows me what to see and what to see next. If you want to save money on trips, try to go not on high season, but on maybe it's just a matter of few days. So for example, if you want to go on January, try not to go on the end of the year and on the first of the year, but maybe go the following days. Other things that I'm going to share to you is, when you travel, try to go on backpack, because most of the low-cost company make you pay the luggage. Most of all, if you have a huge luggage and you go to the airport, you have to give it to the check-in. So it's also, if you travel for a few days, it's just gonna waste time and money. So try to go backpack. Then other things I'm going to share with you is, when you travel, try to have snacks in your bag, so that you don't, and water, so that when you go around you don't have to buy water and snacks most of the time. So just be practical, you know. If you're practical, you are able to see places and even save money. If you use Skyscanner and maybe you see the plane ticket that is already cheap, try to see also in their website if it's cheaper, because most of the airlines, if you go directly to their website, then the ticket is even cheaper, because if you do the transaction with Skyscanner, it make you pay other taxes. So try to check if it's either better to buy on Skyscanner directly on the website or in the app, or actually go directly to their website. Another tip that I'm gonna give you is, when you go travel, most of the time it's better to book an apartment where you can have where you can go buy your own grocery and then cook in the apartment where you rent it. Because most of the time, if you think about it, if you book a hotel or a bed and breakfast, then you have to go to restaurants. It's even cheaper if maybe you pay a little bit more in the apartment, but not that much as eating outside every time. And from there, you go to buy your own grocery, and then you cook your dinner, and I mean your lunch. Probably you're outside seeing the city, so maybe you can cook your dinner at home and then have your breakfast at home, so that you can save the money for other things. If you can walk, then it's better, but if you don't really want to walk, you want to go with the public transportation, then I suggest you to buy the daily ticket or even the weekly if you're gonna stay there for 1 week. Now I'm going to leave you on some of my pictures and videos of my travels, and I hope you enjoy it, and see you on my next vlogs.